That looks incredible, right? Today we're going to be installing those door sill LED lights on my Model 3 from our friends over at Hand Show. Let's get into it. So out of the box, we're going to get your instructions here, your installation kit. That's going to include, this looks like little adhesive circles, wipes to clean the area, these little circles here where you're going to line up where the magnet goes on the door, and some felt pieces maybe used to help align it. They also give you replacement batteries, which is so cool, very thoughtful. And a spare parts package which include double-sided 3M tape and extra magnets. And this is what they are going to look like. This is one for the rear, really sleek. Now you're going to get this little circle here. I'll show you what that's for, and then there's your magnet and the Model 3 logo for my car. On the back side, you're going to have where your two battery replacements go right here, and double-sided adhesive tape. And this is what the front is going to look like. A longer piece. Again, you're going to have your magnet, the little felt piece where your circle goes to apply to the door. Replacement batteries will go here. Double-sided tape goes here. All right, let's get these installed. As you can see in my Model 3 and in the Model Ys, I don't have anything for my rear here on the door sill, so this is going to be a great addition. Now, to line this up perfectly in the middle, you can kind of feel there's a flat area here for it, but to assist me, I'm going to go get some tape and tape that up for y'all. Instead of the tape, the kit came with these felt pieces. I'm going to use that to outline this door sill plate to get it nice and centered. After cleaning the door sill area, I'm going to apply this primer adhesion promoter to clean off the area. Now I'm going to get this to sit nice and flat, which looks to be right there. It's not moving anywhere. And I'm going to take these felt pieces. Would you look at that? Now I just got to get that underneath this plastic covering. There we go. I think that's pretty perfect, pretty straight. Next up, we're going to have these little circle pieces right here to let you know where that magnet's going to go. And you're going to install this over the felt circle, like so. And just let it chill. And then close your door and open it. And it's gone. Voila, it's magic. Now let me show you where that felt piece went. There we go, underneath the door. Now to apply the magnet under the door. There's my magnet. You can choose to leave this rubber circle around it, or you can take it off, your choice. I want to leave it on there in case the magnet falls out. I'll need to know where it goes again. Now I'm going to take off my double-sided tape. And realign it with my diagram. Press down. Take off my protective tape. That looks incredible. Man, this is sick. Take off my outline pieces. I love this flat black look, very OEM. I love the OEM style, OEM plus style look for my car. This is incredible. Hell of a job, Hand Show. Now let's close the door and see if it works. Boom, that's clean. I'm gonna give you guys a nighttime view as well when it gets dark, but right now let's install the front and we'll come back to it. What's so great about these door sill plates from Hand Show is that when you buy the Tesla illuminated door sills, you have to remove the door sill that's already here, right? The plate. And it could get really messy. You could leave a bunch of adhesives and scratches or whatnot. But with Hand Show, these things just fit right over, nice and neatly. No uninstall necessary. And if you want to take these out ever, you're always going to have your OEM door sill plate that was already there. So highly recommended for that reason as well. And when it comes to the front, I mean, I don't even have to line it up. It's super easy. Literally just peel off your adhesive tape and stick it on. But first, I'm going to set that there. Take my little circle for where my magnet goes. Apply that. Close the door. Oh, open it. A great reason of why you should always keep your plastic on there. There we are. Now I'm going to take my little magnet off. Under here. Now I take off my double-sided tape covering. Literally line it up, stick it on, and press down. There we go. Boom. These door sill plates are super easy to install. Probably take about 5-10 minutes tops without recording. So there we have it, some light up door sill plates for my Tesla Model 3. They also come in the Model Y. These also come in a brushed metallic and a carbon fiber material as well. These look fantastic at night. I mean, it's well lit. I think it looks great with this matte black finish for my car. Yeah, if you guys like this, there's the front, there's the rear as well. Let me know in the comments below. Like always, I got a discount code for you, and be blessed, take care, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.